Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly while others struggle? It's all about setting goals. Goals serve as the compass that guides us on our journey to success. They provide a clear direction, a roadmap if you will, to where we aspire to be. But it's more than just giving us direction. Goals ignite a fire within us, a motivation that keeps us moving forward even when the road gets tough. They give us a sense of purpose, a reason to wake up every morning with renewed energy and determination. In essence, setting goals is the first step in turning the abstract into the tangible. It is the process of taking our dreams, those lofty ideas that float in our minds, and grounding them into achievable targets. Without setting goals, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, unable to reach your desired destination. So, how do we set effective goals? It's not as complicated as you might think. Embarking on the journey of goal setting begins with understanding the process, a process that can be simplified using the SMART goals concept. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break down each of these components. Firstly, specific. A specific goal has a much greater chance of being accomplished than a general one. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," try saying, "I want to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes." It's clear, concise, and leaves no room for ambiguity. Secondly, measurable. This involves quantifying your objectives. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Using our fitness example, the measurable aspect is the 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. You can track your progress and know definitively when you've reached your goal. Thirdly, achievable. Your goal should stretch your abilities but still remain possible. If you've never run before, setting a goal to run a marathon in a month might be unrealistic. Instead, aim for something challenging but doable, like running a mile without stopping. Next, we have relevant. Your goals should align with your broader life objectives. If your ultimate aim is to lead a healthier lifestyle, then running regularly contributes to this overarching goal. Lastly, time-bound. Every goal needs a timeline. When do you want to achieve this by? Setting a target date creates a sense of urgency and can spur you into action. In our example, you might aim to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes within 3 months. So, our SMART goal could be, within the next 3 months, I want to be able to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes to improve my overall fitness. By creating SMART goals, you give yourself a roadmap to follow, a clear path that leads to your desired destination. Each step of the journey is marked, and each milestone is an opportunity for celebration. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So make your goals SMART, and turn your wishes into actionable plans. Scene script. Setting the goal is just the beginning. What happens next? What follows is a journey paved with persistence and consistency. It's a journey that will test your willpower, your resolve, and your determination. You see, goals are like distant stars. They're bright, they're beautiful, and they're seemingly within your grasp. But reaching them? That requires a journey, a voyage through the vast expanse of space that is filled with challenges and setbacks. But here's the thing about setbacks and failures. They're not the end. They're the curveballs life throws at us to make us stronger, to make us resilient. They're the stepping stones to success. They're the ingredients for the recipe of achievement. So, what's the secret sauce to reaching these stars, these goals? Persistence. Staying committed to your goal no matter the hurdles. It's about getting up every time you fall, about keeping your eyes on the prize even when the road gets rocky. Persistence is the key. Stay the course, no matter the obstacles, and you'll reach your goals. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've established the crucial role of setting goals in our lives. It's not just about having an objective, but rather having a clear, specific, and achievable destination in mind. This is where the art of setting SMART goals comes into play. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This method provides a concrete framework to guide us in setting our goals and subsequently in achieving them. We also delved into the power of persistence. The path towards our goals is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles and setbacks. But the key to overcoming these challenges is persistence. It's about showing up every day, no matter how tough the journey gets. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So set your goals, make your plan, and start your journey today.